So I had a quick idea to build a SaaS application, but I really wanted to build an MVP quickly rather than like using Cloud Code and then spending so many credits. And after burning so many credits, I could have ended up like just a half-cooked product. So I was looking for a way to move past the constant context switching that kills productivity. And I wanted to build this quick prototype for my idea as fast as possible in just one single tool where it can handle the entire design, the entire authentication system, AI integration, the entire front end and back end in minimum possible time. So I used this tool Verdent AI, and then I just explained my idea. My idea was simple. I wanted to build a platform that generates startup ideas for creators based on their skills. So I'm a creator and I wanted to build a quick SaaS application where I can just like share my skills, and then based on my skills and based on my audience, based on my vibe, it can generate unique trendy ideas using AI. And not only that, it can export these ideas as well in PDF form. So Verdent AI built this entire project in literally just a few minutes with this high quality, very professional front end design. I did not have to like prompt it in a certain way to get this design. You can see my prompt was absolutely simple. My prompt had literally just a few words. There was no like design system or anything, because Verdent AI is actually trained in a way that it is designer as well. It is really good at front end development, at back end development, integrating AI, building database, all of that. So Verdent built that entire absolutely professional project for me in literally just few minutes without any extreme prompt engineering. And I wanted to see if there was a way to keep everything connected, treated not just as an AI coder, but as an actual AI co-founder. So I decided to put this workflow to test by building a real world application from scratch using this tool called Verdent AI. And now I want to show you how exactly it works. So I'll start with a fresh project again, and I will give it a prompt again, and then we'll see how exactly it works. But before we start, please do not forget to subscribe and click on that like button as well. Alright, so first of all, to start using Verdent AI, just go to verdent.ai or just click on the link in description, and then you can just directly open this landing page, and here you can just like sign up and start using it right away. There are two ways to use Verdent AI. Either you can use the Verdent cloud, or you can download Verdent on your computer. Like I have already done that. So you can see I have already installed Verdent on my computer. If you don't want to install on your computer, then you can simply just click on this try Verdent cloud, and then it will just open it right inside your browser. It will open the entire Verdent software right here, the entire IDE basically right here inside your browser. But I'm going to use the desktop version, and to create a new project, what I'll do, I'll simply just click on this plus icon in here, plus folder, and then click on open project. And now I can select choose a folder, and I'm going to give it this prompt, which is I want to build a platform that generates startup ideas for creators based on their skills. And that's it. No detailed requirements or technical specifications. You can choose your favorite AI models in here as well. You can totally choose Fable 5 as well, but it will cost you more credits, so just be aware of that fact. Or you can just leave everything to Verdent and just choose the performance, so it will automatically choose between the best AI models. Now you can simply just press enter, and Verdent will handle everything. It doesn't need any detailed requirements. It doesn't need any like requirement specifications document. It will handle everything. It will build all of this project from scratch for us, that too completely flawlessly without requiring like any external design tool like Cloud Design, or maybe any other design tool, or maybe something like Figma or any other third-party tool. Of course, for database development, you can use Supabase or Neon or any third-party database development platforms, but you won't have to keep switching tools every now and then, because Verdent is actually going to take care of everything. Also, you can see the approach that it is taking. It doesn't directly jump into like writing code. It starts by planning the product strategy, like mapping out the user flow, the product structure and data model before writing a single line of code. And then it moves to the execution, and then it actually starts writing code. And for this particular project, you can see it is using React, and particularly Vue.js, which is like a React framework. And also it is going to use TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. So that's a quite standard React project setup actually. And now you can see it is building all of the UI components as well, and then it will wire everything together. And then it updated this app.tsx file as well. And now it is just building this project. It is basically testing that if everything is working perfectly, and then it will present the preview for this project. So initially the build was failed, and now you can see then it has updated this component, which is header, and now it is trying to build again, and I think now build is completed, and now it is just going to present this project to us. Okay, there you go. Our first preview is ready, and it is running on localhost right now, and it looks overall brilliant. Right now you can see the Verdent AI is performing the testing as well. So it has automatically selected one skill. Now it is going to choose a skill inside development, and then I think inside content. So you can see it is automatically choosing these, and then here are all of the ideas based on the skills that it chose, and it's just amazing. So this is basically a complete SaaS project with just one single prompt. And also Verdent AI agent is conducting the testing as well by itself. So while you see the results in real time and everything in real time, it will also conduct the testing and test everything for you before it asks you to test it yourself. So right now you can see it has just like finished this project right now, and now it is asking me to test this project by myself because it is running on localhost. So I can directly just open it in here, or I can just open it inside my browser as well. So it generated the entire thing everything. It generated all of the features as well. So the system basically managed the whole stack. It created the entire pages, it generated the database, it generated the complete landing page, and a fully functional tool for us right in front of us. Now, one thing that I've noticed is there is no authentication system. So all you can do, you can just like ask it to please build an authentication system as well, or you can just like choose a third-party service, something like Clerk as well, to build an authentication system for you, or you can just like ask Verdent AI to build an authentication system from scratch. So I'm just going to give it this simple prompt, press enter, and now it will just like start building this authentication system. Again, it will handle everything from its side, it will test everything by itself, and then it will present the results. And of course, if you want to integrate any third-party services, something like Clerk, or maybe you want to like integrate Supabase and build an authentication system using Supabase, so you can provide your Supabase details, you can provide your credentials, and then it will build the authentication system for you based on that third-party tool. Alright, so it has just built this feature and now it is testing it. It is basically creating the build and making sure that everything is working fine. Once everything is done, then it will conduct its testing, and then we can test it ourselves and to see if the product is actually working or not. Now let's just test it quickly ourselves. So I can simply just click on sign up button, and you can see this is a nice looking sign up screen in here. I can just provide my name and I can provide my email. Now I can provide my password as well, and perfect. The password is simple, by the way, and now you can see the account has been created, and here I can access the profile and saved ideas. Now I can ask it to build further features. I can connect any third-party services, but there is something really interesting that I need to show you. So there is this skills tab on top left inside. So if you just click on in here, there is this like skills tab. Here you can install like all these sort of skills for Verdent AI. So let's suppose if you are using Figma, so you can use Figma MCP for design to code. So if you already have a design for a website, you can install this Figma MCP in here. Then you can directly implement your design using this Figma skill. So you can see it has already installed Figma skill in here, and now I can find it in here. There is this option add to chat. I can add this to chat, and then I can start using this skill right here inside this chat. Similarly, you can add other skills like linear. You can add MCP builder as well. So you can also install skills for all these third-party backend services like Betterauth, like Prisma database setup, and Rust as well. And also there is this skill for Rust best practices. There is for Python best practices, and also there is this skill for Supabase as well. So you can install all of these skills from here, and it will empower Verdent AI more, and it will make your entire development experience more amazing. You can also add a new skill. If you just click on this and then click on import skill, you can add a new skill in .skill file or .zip file, or you can just like use AI to use this skills creator, and then you can just like ask it to create a skill. So you can just like use this skills creator in here, and then you can ask it to create a new skill. Similarly, there is plugins option, and here you can just like connect all these third-party services like Stripe. If you just click on install, you can connect your Stripe account in here. After linking Stripe, Verdent can help you process online payments, manage subscriptions, and handle financial transactions securely. So rather than like building the entire Stripe integration and entire billing from scratch, you can just like add this particular plugin inside Verdent, and Verdent will actually seamlessly build the entire billing and subscription section for you without any issues. So there is plugin for Supabase as well to build Postgres SQL database, and also there is plugin for Vercel as well. So if you're deploying your project on Vercel, which is like a serverless platform, so there is a plugin for that as well. There is a plugin for CodeRabbit as well, which is like a code review tool. There is plugin for GitHub as well, for Notion, and for Linear as well for managing your project. So basically all these third-party plugins and these skills actually empower your entire development experience, and it empowers Verdent in general. You can also use automation from here. You can either use these templates from here, something like daily competitor watch. So every morning Verdent actually checks what's your 3 to 5 competitors are doing, or you can just like track on public web that who has mentioned Verdent product, who on the internet has mentioned about your project. Even you can create new automations as well. So you can just like describe what sort of task you want to automate. You can create a new automation as well, and you can also set a time as well. So basically you manage everything about your product in one platform rather than like jumping in 5 different tools. You manage everything at one place. And this is where their vision of building faster and launching sooner actually becomes tangible. So this entire tool and this entire tech is actually impressive. But the important part is what this really means for entrepreneurs. So for years, we have been hearing about rise of the one-person startup, but there was always a limit to what one person actually could physically execute. And now we are entering into a world where one founder can operate like an entire team because AI handles the bulk of the execution. It allows you to run the business while the tool runs the work. After seeing it build built that platform from a single sentence, the idea of scaling without a massive initial hire makes a lot more sense. To be honest, I have tested a lot of development tools. Cursor, Windsurf, Bolt, Replit, all are great, but most of them focus primarily on the coding aspect. What I'm noticing with Verdent AI is an attempt to solve the entire lifecycle of building a business that includes planning, designing, building, shipping, and updating. The goal is not just writing the code. The goal is removing the friction between an idea and a live product. So AI is not replacing the entrepreneurs, it is removing the technical barriers that stop them. After all, these tools like Verdent AI, the people who will win over the next few years won't necessarily be the best programmers. They'll be the people who can move from idea to execution the fastest using these kind of tools. So if you have been sitting on an app idea, a SaaS idea, or a startup concept, this is probably the best time in history to test it, because what used to require a team can now be done by a solo founder working alongside AI. So just go ahead and try Verdent. I have put a link in description. You can just go ahead and try it from there. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.